Hello guys, welcome to this session. This is our asynchronous one, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi in case you haven't used it before. Something that will take advantage of it will be video recording. Prezi is a tool that you can use for doing many wonderful things. One of the things that you can do is creating presentations, and the other one is to create videos. So the one that we'll use today is how to create videos specifically for our students. The first thing that you gotta do is go to Prezi. Once you got here, you need to click on Get Started. Gonna click on here. What Prezi usually does is to ask you um, which account you are gonna use. You can create your Prezi account if you want, or you can sign up with your Google account. So it could be your personal one or your institutional one. In my case, I'm going to use my personal one because I already have some presentations and yeah, and also some videos. I'm going to click on here, continuar, and as you can notice, this is the dashboard that you have here. One important thing that you need to pay attention to is the dashboard that you have on your left. You have all the projects, presentations, video, and also infographic. The one that you're going to select is videos. And you can notice here that you can create a video presentation, you can import a PowerPoint presentation, or you can record a video. You guys will pick the first one. And the reason why create a video presentations is not an option for you is because uh, Prezi requests a payment for that. So in other words, you need to upgrade your plan because right now I'm using the free version. But if you want to go pro, so you guys can do it as well. But I suggest you to work with the free version, which works really nice. I'm gonna click on here, and as you can notice, I'm right here, and I'm gonna start recording my presentation. So something that you can notice on your right, there is a plus sign over here, which you can create the the presentation from scratch, or you guys can import something, okay, a file. So the option that Prezi gives you are a Prezi presentation, a Google Drive, so you can retrieve information from Google Drive, or you can also use some other uh, clouds of your preference. But the one that you are gonna use in case you wanna use it is from computer. So for this, you can go ahead and select it from your computer, or something else that you can do is to go to um, one of the windows you have open and drag and drop the presentation here. It takes some seconds. So you can notice here how many slides I got. I got 11. So something that you can notice here as well is this is our presentation. And if you notice right now, I have my video over here, but also I have the presentation on the side. So I can select, for example, if I want to have the whole presentation in the whole screen, or maybe I just want the presentation without my video, just my voice, or the one that is, like, I would say more handy is this one. I'm gonna try to move my computer a little bit to the right, so in that way I can see my face, or my students can see my face, and also the presentation on this side. Yeah, I know you can recognize the presentation because that was the one that I presented last class. Okay, I can go little by little. You can see the transitions. Okay, you go explaining little by little everything. Okay, which is really good. Okay, that's the first option. So the other option that you can also use is to uh, take a Prezi presentation. For example, I have many presentations here. I'm gonna use this one instead. It takes time. Okay, you can notice that the first option is available, the second option is also available, but the third option is not available. So that's why you gotta be careful with the layout you're gonna select for your Prezi presentation. In case you're gonna create your visual aid in Prezi, okay? Something that I can suggest you to do is maybe you can move to the side, so this side of the screen, and maybe you can play with the space you have available on the screen, okay? I'm gonna try to use another one. I'm still in Prezi, okay? I'm gonna try to use this one instead, okay? It takes some seconds. You can notice that this layout is even better because it allows me to be in the middle of the screen and also have the different transition. Maybe I can move a little bit to my left to, have the explanation and everything. So once you're done with your video, you need to click on here. There is a button. Unfortunately, you cannot see it, but once you're practicing in pressing, you'll see that says start recording. So once you feel ready to start, you can click on here. It gives you 3 seconds. Hello, how are you? So this is the video about any topic, and today we'll talk about this. And then you start with the presentation. Once you're done, you click on finish recording. Okay, so if you consider that is well done, so you can go to save video, or if you want to re-record, or you want to record the video again, so you can click on here, or you can just see 3 seconds. Hello, how are you? So this is the video. Okay, you can also cut it. You can cut the video. Maybe there was something at the beginning, any sound, or maybe at the end, something that you didn't like, but the rest of the presentation was good. So you can also cut it. So let's say the presentation is great. I'm gonna click on here. You can notice that the upload is almost ready, almost there. There you go. So you have different options, okay? You can download it, but what is the problem again? If you click on download, you need to pay, right? Instead, you can share the link. You can copy the link and paste it on a Word document, which what I want, and in that way, I can see the video and everything. Okay, I'm gonna click on share here, or you can click on here, or you can also do some other options. I'm gonna click on share. Okay, if you want to, this is the link, you can copy it, so you can give some other options. Okay, if you want some people to see your video, or look at this, so you can add also some people, some specific people with this. Let's say I'm gonna share it with myself. Okay, okay, all right, so I'm gonna add this person. Okay, so, and if I want to make it public or reusable, you can also do it. This option is a good option as well, because you can embed your video in any website or any page. So this video, when you're gonna create your class for the final project, where you need to add external links, so this is the option that I want you to do. I want you to embed the video. I want you to put it in there, so in that way the students or your future students can easily play the video without going out from the platform. Okay, I'm gonna click on done. Okay, so I already copy, and then you just need to copy and paste it as I said before in a Word document. Well, this is the way, or this is what I want you to do with Prezi this time. Okay, remember that you have three options. You can use a PowerPoint presentation from your computer. You can use um, a Prezi presentation that you already have on your account, or you can also take take a file from your drive. Okay, guys. So if you have questions, please let me know. I'll be more than ready to answer.